What's up, guys, on YouTube? How you guys today? Well, I got a very old product here. It's a black and deckled air pump system, and it's a very old one indeed. It's also probably from the 1990s, but this little guy is made in USA. By the way, before Black & Decker decide to ship everything overseas and make everything a whole lot cheaper. By the way, this has a 4-year, 2-year warranty on it, on the parts and maintenance and stuff like this. And what's very nice about this air compressor is a electric air compressor. It's 120 AC volts household current instead of a standard 12 volt current. This is not 12 volt current. This is just a standard plug-in your house current. It's a very nice, unique product. Now, by the way, you can see the box is kind of mangled and stuff, and all beat up and stuff. But let's go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside of it. But it's already opened, and I'm going to show you what's the box looks like here. This is, again, the front of the box. Bring it back up to you guys now. Guys, you can see that. It is sticker, made in USA. This is a very lovely air compressor. This can do everything like fill up tiles, fill up balls, basketballs, footballs, stuff like that. And there's the arm side. And there's the bottom side. So very heavy equipment here. This is a very nice little unit. I really like this system versus the 12 volt air pumps you buy these days and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and pop her open, but she's already been opened a couple of times. You can see that's just how the flaps came out. Oh, let's go ahead and take the instructions out of the box. And that's your instruction manual for this air compressor and stuff like that, and air pump and stuff. Very lovely design. And again, I recommend keeping your instructions and this non-instruction part list there. Keep that as well. Let's go ahead and pull up the very long hose. This is a 6-foot hose. Very nicely done. Very awesome build quality as well. Let's see, here's all the metal components. This is metal, by the way, like aluminum type metal. Very nice. And also just a plastic type fitting. I will be probably changing that to a brass fitting for this air pump as well. We put the 6-foot hose off to the side, and we take out the big giant beast. And that's what she looks like. And we take out some of the accessories that actually come with the beast as well. And let's go ahead and just move the box off to the side. Awesome, keep the box for whatever you want to keep the box for. Put that off to the side. And let's talk about the compressor here in a minute. Let's get on to the little goodies it has. This bag's already, like I said, been opened and stuff. I got this as a used item, not a brand new item. It's a very old item. Very love the design. It's a very heavy a piece of machinery, and also very nicely designed as well. Now, the difference of household current and DC current is the household current's a lot stronger than DC current. Now let us go ahead and put the instructions kind of over here, out of the way, kind of thing here. And let's go ahead and just take the components, different compressor parts out of here. This is a non-compressor. This is where your air inlet goes on top of this little guy. and you can fill up different components, like, you know, like your basketballs, footballs, air mattresses, and stuff like that. You can pump those up as well. And this comes, like I said, with all sorts of different goodie bits here. And we'll just go ahead and take a look what we got inside the bag. It's very awesome. I really do like the older equipment versus the newer equipment. And here we have just a tiny rubberized foot kind of thing for your accessories on the bottom of this guy here, connector. And we have also our own plastic bolts. Most of these plastic bolts go to that little guy there. And I don't know what they all do, but they are pretty awesome and unique of the way they're built. Most of them are for different air mattresses and stuff like that, different design air mattresses. What's very nice is these all can kind of like clip together and stack kind of like this. And you can actually have them all together like in one order here, and that's your stopper, I guess. And we do get some metal bolts here, like that's a standard aluminum, nicely designed bolts for the air compressor system. For this old gear. And of course you do get 2 basketball and inflatable guys here to fill up your basketball and stuff like that, and your footballs and stuff like that. That's just all the little accessory stuff that comes with this little unit. Now, this hose is a high quality hose. This is rated at, I don't know what the PSI is rated on this hose, but it's pretty strong. It's also very textured and very neat in design as well. This is a very long hose. This is a 6 feet hose, and like I said, it's a pretty nice standard hose for your type of indoor activity use. This can be used to fill up your tires on your car, tractor, and bikes and stuff, motorcycles, and stuff like that. I wish every mechanic would have this type of system, because all it is just plugs directly right into your AC outlet only. Let's go and just flip around here and show you what this is the output line here. This is where you actually put that 6-foot hose on this outlet put here. And this is an air cool system as well. This is a aluminum heatsink on here to keep the compressor very nicely and cool. This used to be nice and shiny, but you can see over age it just kind of finally wore down a bit. And this is the outside of the compressor, air compressor. And what I really love about this compressor a lot is the gauge on the top of the system. This is rated up to 150 psi, and we do have a on and off switch. To turn it on, you just flip the switch, and turn it off, you just turn it off though. And this does have your standard AC current plug. That's to plug in your standard regular household outlet. I would also recommend use a GFI on this old girl as well. And that's just the bottom of the unit. It has 4 rubber feet. And they got just some information about the unit itself. And here's kind of like the ID or the part number is 9527 on this typical model. This is a very nicely designed unit made in USA again. And I really like how they put a little sticker on top. It says, warning, it gets hot. This means this little outtake line gets very hot as well. You can see, and there's the logo. The Black & Decker air pump is a very awesome unit as well. Now, I got this as a very old, used unit. And by the way, it still works, and it still kicks any compressors, but with the 12 volt system. But I really like it. It works just fine when it needs to be to fill up different air tiles like air mattresses, bicycle tiles, tractor tiles, truck tiles, whatever you can name. You can just use this air compressor to pump anything up by having a household electrical current for this system as well. But I really love the gauge on this because the gauge will tell you on what the PSI of your system is. Now, the hose is okay. The hose is very nice as well. Nicely designed and obviously nicely made as well. This whole thing works just fine. Awesome. Alright guys, if you are brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, please leave a comment, and also please like and rate and please share. Alright guys, peace out, bye guys, see you in the next vlog.